Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of x. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So you got about the u equals to the s over 1 plus s squared. So this one we change by u. The s over 1 plus s squared we change by the u. The integration of this one, you got about e to the power of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.